Hello and welcome to COVID-19 Today, a new program we've launched this week to bring you daily updates on local impacts due to the coronavirus public health crisis. We hope you'll continue to join us live weekdays at 4 p.m. and weekends at 2 p.m. I'm your host for the day, Jin Chun. It's Thursday, April 2nd. We are practicing social distancing here at Citi Cable. Today I am in the studio, but with just one person in the room who is sitting about 10 feet away, along with our robotic cameras and my director who is in another room altogether. We're so glad you can join us again. Let's get right into the numbers. The confirmed cases of the coronavirus continues to rise as expected. According to the County of Los Angeles Public Health, as of noon today, the number of positive cases have gone up another 527 cases, bringing the total to 4,045 and 78 reported deaths. Now here in Torrance, 6 additional COVID-19 cases have been confirmed, bringing our total to 69. And to clarify, the numbers in Torrance includes all Torrance zip codes, including addresses not within city boundaries. Los Angeles County is ramping up coronavirus testing sites, opening 3 new locations beginning tomorrow. The closest one to Torrance will be the South Bay Galleria. The other 2 locations include the Pomona Fairplex and the Antelope Valley Mall. All testing locations are designed for people to drive up and get tested while staying in their cars. The testing is by appointment only. Walk-ups will not be available. Currently, COVID-19 testing is limited to the most vulnerable residents, including those who are 65 and older, have underlying health conditions, or have been subject to a 14-day mandatory quarantine. If you're interested in getting tested, you must register on the screening website. Go to coronavirus.lacity.org/testing. Visits to the emergency room is changing rapidly with more coronavirus cases confirming. Local hospitals have put into place new restrictions and screening procedures to ensure the safety of not only their patients, but of their staff. To give you an idea of the impact this virus is having on us locally, as of today, the ICU at Little Company of Mary Medical Center in Torrance has been designated for just COVID-19 patients and have moved non-COVID-19 patients to their San Pedro campus. And we've been told that Torrance Memorial Medical Center's intensive care unit is currently at capacity. In an effort to better protect first responders when responding to 911 calls, don't be alarmed if the dispatcher asks a few questions while on the phone, including if a person has any symptoms of COVID-19, like respiratory issues, cough, or fever. And if a person does have those symptoms, the dispatcher lets crews know immediately in order for certain precautions to take place. Torrance City Manager Leroy Jackson signed a declaration yesterday officially closing Torrance Beach, Beach Parking Lot, Miramar Park, Riviera Colony, Public Park, and the Strand connected to Torrance Beach to help slow the transmission of COVID-19. Police have increased patrol and are encouraging everyone to continue practicing social distancing and safer at-home guidelines. You can read the full details of the declaration online at cityoftorranceca.com. While the U.S. government and California's Franchise Tax Board are delaying the deadline to file and make payments on federal and state income taxes to July, property owners are expected to still make their prop tax payments by the April 10th deadline. This is a statutory deadline set by the state. Revenue from property taxes is an essential cash infusion for local, county, and regional agencies. The Department of Motor Vehicles resumed business today, but under some modifications. In an effort to protect its employees and visitors, all in-office appointments have been canceled and all behind-the-wheel driving tests have been suspended. The virtual services available include vehicle title transfers and complex vehicle registration renewals. You can go to virtual.dmv.ca.gov. The DMV requested law enforcement to show discretion before issuing citations for having an expired license or registration through mid-May. Local event production company CHOURA Events is curating a different kind of production now with COVID-19 canceling every festival and major event for the foreseeable future. They're now offering solutions to help hospitals with overflow and triage facilities and drive-up testing sites. CHOURA is using their expertise to create comprehensive facilities that reduce confusion and optimize capacity through effective layouts and scalable assets. CHOURA's first temporary hospital facility was deployed at Lakewood Regional Medical Center 2 weeks ago, with additional builds for Fountain Valley Regional, Chalk Mission Viejo, Long Beach Memorial, and many other local organizations in the planning phases. CHOURA is known for setting up major events like Coachella, Stagecoach, and the BNP Open. We wanted to keep you updated on the progress of the new Torrance Cares to Go service. The city successfully delivered its second day of care packages yesterday, delivering nearly 75 grocery bags of essentials and sanitary items to the community's most at risk and vulnerable. Currently, there are 600 people signed up to take advantage of this service. Every day, staff receives a shipment of the fresh produce and items and assembles them before delivering to the participant's doorstep. The service is limited to just one order per household. Due to the overwhelming demand, it may take additional days to fulfill your order. To learn more or to sign up, go to cityoftorranceca.com/TC to go. And at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story on how you and your family, friends, and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Today, we are sharing a few photos from Cheryl Robertson and her family, who created a free craft project made with clean hands and compassion. They wrote on a poster board that from time to time they will leave free handmade crafts to share with neighbors. What a great way to practice social distancing while sharing the love. Share your stories with us, whether it's how you're passing the time or something special you're doing in the community. We want to hear from you. Email us at covid19torranceca@gmail.com and we'll be sure to share your story. Well, that's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. and we'll kick off the weekend together. If you have questions, please email us at covid19torranceca@gmail.com. And be sure to stay informed by signing up for Torrance Alerts. Go to torranceca.gov/Torrance Alerts. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.